Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C11. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. At the beginning, enter Google Pay app and tap a blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. Now select your loyalty card, for example IKEA Poland. Scan your card or enter details manually, then tap Save. Next, we've got gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card, because you'll have to select shop, for example Decathlon Group Poland, type card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Save. And the last one is transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You will be redirected to a website where you have to finish inside form. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.